Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Good morning viewers. In this set of videos, we will be seeing the impact of the Jupiter transit from the present position of Capricorn to Aquarius and its retrogression from Aquarius back to Capricorn. Jupiter gets its transit on 6th of April 2021 and stays till 15th of September 2021 at Aquarius, and again it retrogrades back on 15th of September and comes back to Capricorn, and it will be there till 20th of November 2021, and there will be a normal transit on 20th November 2021 as usual from Capricorn to Aquarius. So we will be seeing the impact of the Jupiter transit for each and every zodiac sign. Whenever the Jupiter is placed in a particular position, it will have certain effects. Also, the Jupiter aspects the 5th house, 7th house and the 9th house from the position where it is. So all the places where the Jupiter aspects will have a very positive effects. Considering this, many viewers had asked me the impact of the Jupiter's this transit and retrogression effects. I had already consolidated certain videos on the 2020-21 Jupiter transit. If you have not viewed those videos, I have provided the link in the description. You can select it and view all these videos. I had also given some percentage for each and every zodiac sign. So that will have a major effect that has got a consolidated effect of all the transit, keeping into consideration of all the planetary positions. But there are certain viewers, they need to know the impact of the Jupiter's transit at Aquarius separately and its the retrogression effect separately. So that is the purpose I am releasing these videos for each and every zodiac sign with the impact of the transit as well as the retrogression. Now we will see for each and every zodiac sign what would be the effect. Virgo, the sixth zodiac sign. For Virgo, the Jupiter's transit from Capricorn to Aquarius position is not so encouraging for them, because Jupiter is responsible for the 4th and 7th house, which moves to the 6th house is not so good. So they may find some problems in the investments. Some of the assets they may find a dip in the value. If they invest money in shares or purchase some gold or silvers or ornaments, they may find some losses too. Jupiter is also responsible for the 7th house, so the business may not be so encouraging during this time. Even there may be conflict between the life partners. There may be frequent troubles in the family life. So one has to be very much careful. As already Saturn is aspecting the 2nd house. So this particular period, they should be very much careful in dealing with the life partners as well as in the business partners also. So there may be conflicts between the business partners during this time. So some of the business may not be so encouraging during this time. But when Jupiter moves to the Aquarius, it starts aspecting the 10th house. It seems to be highly benefitable for them. Those who are looking for job opportunities very long, this particular time they may find a suitable job. Those who are working in a company, they may also find this period very much encouraging for them. They will get some good promotions or increments. They may get transfers too. Some may get into team lead positions, especially for this particular zodiac sign. Those who are working in teaching industry, especially like in schools or colleges, the teachers as well as other staff, it's a right time for them. They will get some good benefits. Some may get into new ventures, like they will try to adopt some new concepts like on the online educations. In that they will improve their strength. So these are some of the advantages. Jupiter aspecting the 12th house, so there are some positive signs. Some of the expenses may turn out to be more positive for them. Some may need to spend for the marriages or some new house purchases like that. So the 12th house seems to be highly positive for them. Now Jupiter aspecting the second house along with Saturn, to an extent there may be troubles in the second house will get reduced. So the communication, so far they might be having some troubles in their communication. Even in the field of communication they will find some troubles. Those who are in the marketing and sales, they would have met a lot of troubles in their workplace, especially due to their own communication. Now when Jupiter starts aspecting this house, the problems will get reduced. So they will try to speak in such a way that others can accept their arguments. Even the lawyers can win certain cases during this time. So the movement of Jupiter, even though it is not so encouraging, but the places where it starts aspecting seems to be highly encouraging for the zodiac sign Virgo. When we see the ill effect during this particular period, when Jupiter moves away from Capricorn, now Saturn aspects the 11th house directly. So there may be some dip in the revenue they get during this time. If someone who had lended money to others, it will not come back to them in time. So they should be very much careful in lending the money to others. Also during investments, they should be doubly careful because they should not invest just like that. During this period, one way Jupiter is there in the 6th house, in the other way Saturn starts aspecting the 11th house. So taking undue risk is not an accepted thing during this time. So we don't recommend to do any investments during this time because they may end up in losses. So these are the major defects while Jupiter moving away from Capricorn to Aquarius. Now let us see the impact of Jupiter's retrogression. When Jupiter retrogrades back to Capricorn on 15th of September, the position of Jupiter seems to be highly encouraging for them because it comes to the 5th house. Now the children start listening to the parents, they will show interest in their studies. So it's the right time for the children. During this period they will do a lot of things and it will be more benefitable for the parents also. Now this particular time the conflicts between the life partners will get reduced. So there are chances even love marriage also get successful during this time. Business also seems to be better during this period. So the conflicts between the life partners as well as the business partners will get reduced and a lot of improvement activities will take place. So the business will start growing up and the inflow of money will also be there. This is one way. Also the Jupiter starts aspecting the 11th house, the defect due to Saturn aspecting the 11th house is also getting eliminated. So they start getting the revenue during this period. So it seems to be a good time for them. Now when Jupiter starts aspecting the 9th house where Rahu is seated, the ill effects of Rahu is getting controlled and lot of them will find a good time and memorable period with their parents as well as their father side family also. Some may get some lucky times during this particular period. Some may win out of enemies. Some new unexpected luck may come to them in favor. All these good things can happen. Jupiter aspecting the zodiac sign directly, meaning that some of them who have been struggling for illness very long, it get reduced. They will find some comfort in their health. So these are some of the positive signs when Jupiter it gets retrograded back. But the main defect, the ill effect of Jupiter coming back is Saturn aspecting the second house, so they should be again careful in their communication. Also they will find unwanted arguments with the family members due to which they get into more troubles. Some may find some problems in the family life, so they should be very much careful in dealing with the family members. So this is a major effect. So when compared to Jupiter's transit, the retrogression seems to be highly favorable for them.